Oranges are a versatile and nutritious fruit that can be incorporated into your daily healthy life in several ways. Here are some ideas on how to use oranges to enhance your overall well-being. Fresh consumption. Enjoy oranges as a refreshing snack or as part of your breakfast. Simply peel the orange and eat the juicy segments. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and various antioxidants, which can support your immune system and promote good digestion. Juicing. Freshly squeezed orange juice is a popular choice for a nutritious beverage. You can use a juicer to extract the juice or manually squeeze the oranges. However, be mindful that juicing removes some of the fiber content, so it's best to consume whole oranges alongside the juice. Smoothies. Add oranges to your smoothies for a burst of citrus flavor and added nutritional value. Blend peeled oranges with other fruits, such as bananas, berries, or pineapple, along with a liquid base like water, coconut water, or almond milk. You can also include leafy greens like spinach or kale to boost the nutrient content. Salad enhancer. Oranges can add a delightful zest to your salads. Peel and segment the oranges, then toss them into a green salad or fruit salad. The sweet and tangy taste of oranges complements various greens, such as spinach, arugula, or mixed lettuce. You can also combine oranges with other fruits like strawberries or avocados for a vibrant and nutritious salad. Marinades and dressings. Incorporate oranges into marinades or dressings for an added flavor kick. Squeeze fresh orange juice and combine it with herbs, spices, olive oil, and vinegar to create a citrus-infused marinade for poultry, seafood, or vegetables. Similarly, blend orange juice with ingredients like olive oil, mustard, honey, or herbs to make a zesty salad dressing. Baking and cooking. Oranges can be used in various baking and cooking recipes. Zest the orange peel to add a citrusy aroma and flavor to cakes, cookies, muffins, and other desserts. Additionally, you can use orange juice or segments in savory dishes like stir-fries, sauces, or glazes for meats. Remember that while oranges offer many health benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet with a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure you receive a wide range of nutrients.